What shall we sing today? And then we'll go on to hello everybody. What shall we sing today? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing? What shall we sing? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing today? What shall we sing? What shall we sing? Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. You can't go wrong with a song. You can't go wrong with a song. So let's sing hello everyone. Hello everyone, hello everyone, glad that you are here. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. I, glad that you are here. I, glad that you are here. One more time. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. Hello everyone, glad that you are here. I, glad that you are here. I, glad that you are here.
Music everywhere, up above my head. And don't you know music in the air, up above my head. Music in the air, come in with me.
I'm gonna lay down my sword and shield down by the riverside. Down by the riverside, down by the riverside. I'm gonna lay down my sword and shield down by the riverside. Study war no more. gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. Gonna study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. I'm gonna put on my long white robe down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. I'm gonna put on my long white robe down by the riverside. Study war no more. Ain't gonna 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 study war no more. I'm gonna put on my starry crown down by the riverside, down by the riverside, down by the riverside. I'm gonna put on my starry crown down by the riverside. Study war no more. Ain't gonna study war no more. Gonna study war no more. Ain't 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 gonna study war no more. Study war no more. Ain't gonna 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 study war no more.
I'm the type you are supposed to fear. Black, foreign, big, dreadlocks, uneducated grass eater. I talk in tongues, I chant at night. I appear anywhere. I sleep with lions. And when the moon gets me, I am a whaler. I'm moving in next door to you, so you can get to know me. You will see my shadow in the bathroom window. My aromas will occupy your space. Our ball will be in your court. How will you feel? You should feel good. You have been chosen. I am the type you are supposed to love. Dark, mysterious, tall, natural, thinking, teetotaler. I talk in schools. I sing on TV. I am in the papers. I'm a cool guy. And when the sun is shining, I go to carnival.
This poetry is not afraid of going in a book. Still, this poetry need ears for hear and eyes for look. This poetry is verbal rhythm. No big words involved, and if I have a problem, the rhythm gets it solved. Love. Try to be more romantic. It does no good for me. So I take a reggae rhythm and build me poetry I could try be more personal, but you've heard it all before. Pages of written words not needed. Brain has many words in store. You could call this poetry dub ranting. The tongue plays a beat. The body starts skanking. This poetry is quick and childish. This poetry is for the wise and foolish. Anybody can do it for free. This poetry is for you and me. Don't stretch your imagination. This poetry is for the good of the nation. Chant in the morning. I chant in the night. I chant in the darkness and under the spotlight. I pass through university. I pass through sociology. And then I get a dread degree in dreadful ghettoology. This poetry stays with me when I run or walk. And when I'm talking to myself in poetry, I talk. This poetry is with me, below me and above. This poetry is from inside me. It goes to you with love.
Then why don't you put up Michael for a few days and the two of you can celebrate together?
Well, unfortunately, as you know, I have only one bathroom and I'm not prepared to share it.
And I'm not prepared to share my part of the bench.
Oh,
You Africans, you got the largest continent in the world to sit around in and you have to come all the way to Peckham. It's my seat.
Desmond, weeknights at 7 and 11 on the Africa Channel.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for coming to Singing Assembly, and we'll see you all next week. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. We've worked hard, had fun, tried our best. But it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.